Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia with yet another haircut tutorial. So to get straight into it, I have my good sis slash friend Kelly coming in, and we have done a color correction on her because she did have a color incident that happened a while back. That took 2 sessions and this is where she's at, but she's just not overall happy with how her hair is feeling and she just wants to go for a fresh start. So we are going to do a haircut. I'm going to show the whole entire video. I am going to speed this up because I don't want it to be long, and Kelly and I, when we get together, we just act like big kids. So I'm going to leave in some of the audio from this appointment so you guys can get a little bit more behind the scenes. But all I'm doing is just going in, creating my guideline in a rough cut on her hair. She's not shampooed. She literally just woke up and came straight here. So because I know that she wanted a bob cut, I'm just going in and creating a shape, and then once I'm done shampooing her and blow drying her hair out, then I will go in and clean up the shape a little bit more. But it did make sense to me to go ahead and waste product because she did want to do Olaplex as well on her hair, that if we're just going to cut it off. So I opted to do the cut first, just a rough cut, and then after this we will get into the details of styling this bob and I'll explain a little bit more of what I'm doing. So just sit back and watch for now. Again, I'm just creating my general shape, just getting a lot of that weight and bulk off of her hair, and then we will go in and clean up the cut. And again, you guys will be able to see everything I'm doing, but you guys already know. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, and as always, I will link everything I'm using. And make sure to follow your girl on IG if you do not already. Okay, make sure you follow me on IG _Cassandra Olivia, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I mean, you're already here. So I'll be back in just a second.
We gonna get the side profile now. She said, Lord Farquaad. Yo, that's what I was just thinking. He hooked it. Yo,
oh my God, yo, I was just thinking that.
Yo, we childish.
That is hilarious.
Real childish.
Yo, I swear to God, I was watching Shrek with Jada the other day, yo. Or it looked like, what's his name? Johnny Depp over Willy Wonka, yo.
Okay. You said that's what I wanted? You're like, what you want? So give me that Johnny Depp Willy Wonka mushroom. Give me that hard bowl. I'm fucking hollering. I just looked up, I was like, yo, let's give it Lord Farquaad.
So clearly we don't know how to act when we're together, and she is such a vibe. So Kelly, shout out to you for trusting me with your hair. She also is the mother to my beautiful niece Jada and my nieces Maya and Gracie. So shout out to you as well. You guys have seen Gracie come in before and get her hair done with Olivia. So she is family, and I really do love her, and I'm very happy that she trusts me with her beautiful hair, whether it's long or short, and I really do appreciate that. So we are more like family than anything, but she's also a client friend, and she's just an amazing person overall. So I just wanted you guys to kind of feel the vibe. But I had already let her know, if she was a new client, I would definitely say like, hey, I'm going in doing your rough cut, then I'll clean it up. But Kelly was like, do whatever you want. She's had a bob all through high school, so this is not her first time going short. So I didn't feel like, oh my goodness, let's try to make it a little bit longer. Typically I would, but for her, I was like, she's already had a bob before and she really, really loved it. So she wanted to do a really short cut, actually going up to about her chin. And I opted just to do a little bit longer, just to frame her face a little bit better. And I didn't want it to look too Dora the Explorer-ish, just because she does have a rounder face. And I didn't want it to basically not compliment her beautiful face shape. So we opted for this. She trusted me. And then once I was done the rough cut, I am going to go in and shampoo her with some leaf and flower products. I'm going to be using their volumizing shampoo and conditioner, as well as their volumizing leave-in spray, which is what you put in before you blow dry. I did round brush her. She did not want to be pressed out just because she wanted to wear her hair out typically how she wears it. So if she gets up and goes, it'll be easier for her to maintain. But she definitely could press her hair out if she wanted to. Do I recommend it for her texture? No, it's not needed, just because she has a pretty straight / wavy hair texture. So she can pretty much get up and go and her hair is ready to go. If she had like a more curly hair texture, then yes, so that way you can see the lines in the cut. But for this particular client, I just told her like, hey, we're just going to show you how it looks when it's wet versus blow dry. So that way when you're able to go home, you can maintain it very easily. So just sit back and enjoy this video. Again, I will link everything down below. It's actually Tuesday. I started editing this yesterday. She came on Saturday, so I'm not too far behind. Your girl's in the process of moving. So with that being said, I have just been all over the place trying to get content out and also live my life on the side. But I am very thankful for you guys being super patient. So just enjoy this video.
Obviamente. Oh, man, listen, I've been waiting to do this.
I'm cracking up. Yup. It's giving nursery rhyme villain. Okay.
Wait, and the mode. you gotta do this.
I'm fucking done with you. It said Edna mode. How much hair is on the floor? We're gonna do a zoom in. They're gonna be like, girl, I'm going.
Okay, so already I wasn't done yet, but I just had to cut to that audio part. But Kelly was already feeling it, and it wasn't even like all the way cut properly, and she was just like, I am in love. So again, she was such a vibe. I already told her when I edit this video I'm going to leave all the funny clips in, so I cannot wait for her to watch. But now she's been shampooed, and I'm just going in with that spray that I showed you, as well as the 7-minute blow dry. I just combined a little bit of both, and I am going to round brush her. I did press this one little piece in the front of her hair by where her widow's peak is, just because it was kind of like flipped upward and I wanted it to have like a nice lay. And I did bend the end just because sometimes her hair will like flip up. So I did like a very, very light once over flat iron just to make sure everything was polished. But could I have done this with a round brush? Absolutely. But for this particular day, her hair was not cooperating. So I'm like, let me just hit that. So I do want to throw that in there. But just do what's best for you and your client. She doesn't need a lot of heat, as you can see. So I use it on a very low setting. And you guys already know I use my flat irons. They're out of stock currently, but I will have a couple more after I'm done moving. It's just been a lot with me trying to move and also record content and ship flat irons. So that's just going to be on hold temporarily. So if you got it, thank you. If not, just please hold. They will be coming back soon. So I'm just going to finish round brushing her out, and then I'm just going to attach the video footage of her being outside in natural sunlight. So that way you can see how it looks in my suite versus how it looks outside when it hits the sun. So I'm getting ready to enjoy the rest of my day with my family. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.